my channel, and for today I'll just be showing you the Monday's trade, right? And the line here, this as you can see is the 9:30 opening bell, right? Opening candle, right? And as you can see here, the price below here is the new week opening up. Yeah, since the price now was just bullish, yeah, like those low probability for the price to go down to the new week opening up, right? As the main focus was the buy side liquidity, yeah, the buy side liquidity. This is the minor buy side, and this one now it's the November high, right? The November high, right? And this is the minor, and this line here, this red line here is the consequent encroachment of a week, a daily week, right? And yeah, as you can see here, like the price after 9:30 open, the price after 9:30 open here, it just, I don't include this as a gap, I just include the second candle, the 9:31 candle now. So I considered this as a first presentable fair value gap, and the yellow this fair value gap is a 2-minute fair value gap, of which the price was heavy and bullish, right? And the price, at first I was expecting the price to come down to this, but since the price was heavy and bullish, I just had to treat this as a breakaway gap, right? I did not expect now the price to come back to this first presentable fair value gap, right? So the price respected this 2-minute fair value gap, right? And it just continued going up, right? It just continued going up, right? And at the start of 10 o'clock there was a news drive in the market, yeah, and the price was now just accumulating here. There was no much move during this 10 to 11. There was no, the move wasn't big, it was just accumulating, right? As you can see here, those are volume imbalance here, right? As you can see here, there's a volume imbalance, and the price just came to it, though it did not respect it, but it just went up. Yeah, eventually it went up. So even though like at this point I did not take my entry at this level, there was a certain point where I entered, of which I'll just show you. Yeah, I'll just show you in a screenshot. And the trades that I entered was not that precise, though it was not that good one, right? So I entered like, my trades was like, I entered like 3 trades or 4 trades. Yeah, I was just, at first when the price now was, I expected now the price to go down a little bit to this first presentable fair value gap, but the price continued going up, right? And I just had to take it down. Though at first I was waiting for the price to hit this volume imbalance, this small volume imbalance, and I was ready to take buy, but when the price now was showing this sign of it going down, I entered sell at a certain point. Yeah, I did not use this to trade, I used the other platform, like the Meta 5. So I'll just show you the screenshots, everything. And here the price, I entered late at this level here, and the price now started going up, and I just had to take out the trade, right? The price did at last just continued going up. You see, after taking this volume imbalance here at the start of 11 o'clock, the price respected this volume imbalance here. This is a 1 minute volume, not volume imbalance, the fair value gap. It respected it, and it just continued going high, taking this minor buy side liquidity, right? And it just continued going up, right? But it did not reach the level that I wanted, right? This was my first level, this one, and then the consequent encroachment, and then lastly the all-time high of the November high, right? So that's how I just anticipated the price. But the trades that I entered, it wasn't like the way I planned for it, right? I also entered trade at this fair value gap. This is a 1 hour 15 minute, this is a 15 minute fair value gap. I entered here, right? And one of my trade was taken away. Like the price, when it I thought like the price will respect this fair value gap and continue going up, but the price just went down. It took one of my sell stops and it just proceeded going up a little bit. It was just now accumulating. So this wasn't a good idea. It wasn't ideal for a person to enter this trade, because the price now, it was just accumulating. I held this trade, right? I held this trade entire night, right? And when I woke up, I just found that the price hasn't moved to the place that I wanted. And when the price now was just going against, like, I wasn't pleased with what the price was doing, I just had to take the price. I just had to take the trade, and yeah. So that's what happened. And though I'm expecting the price to continue going, I'm expecting the price to continue going up to this minor basal liquidity, this midpoint of the week, and this the November high, right? If something will happen also, it should just be okay. But as you can see, like, the price is on this 15 minute fair value gap. You see the way it's behaving at this level, it's just accumulating. So that's what happened, and that's what happened. So for today, what will happen, let me just believe all will be well. And thank you for listening to me, and I'll just catch you up on the other video, and I just wish you well, and take care.